Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Won't allow Mhadei diversion, will fight at any level. CM ready to back NGOs in legal fight. Assembly concern over Karnataka 6 dams blocking Dudhsagar. Three-day e-auction of extracted iron ore fetches 287 crore rupees for government. Highest bidding and grossing on third day, 90% of ore sold, 10% ore unsold. No NOC from PWD, Electricity Department and TCP till water, electricity and road infrastructure in place at the project site. Government to issue order by October. Lokayukta Act amendment: if Goa doesn't find a suitable candidate within 3 months, export duty waiver on low-grade iron ore, royalty up by 5%. And Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar assures action against Goa Cricket Association as recommended by Pense Commission SAG to de-recognize GCA. And now the news in detail. Won't allow diversion of Mhadei, will fight at any level. This assurance comes from Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. Assembly expressed fear over Karnataka 6 dams over Dudhsagar as Kandepar River and Opa water treatment plant would go dry. Water Resource Minister Dayanand Mandrekar said that all the facts have been placed before the Water Tribunal. Parrikar also expressed government's readiness to back the Goan NGOs in a legal fight for Mhadei.
The Karnataka has envisaged 4 dams on the upstream of the Kandepar River in Karnataka. The Kandepar River has a tributary of Mhadei. The issue is sub judice with the Honorable Mhadei Water Dispute Tribunal. Goa has strongly objected to all the diversions of Mhadei River, including the diversions of Kandepar River. The issue of drinking water at Opa has already been brought on record before Honorable Tribunal.
कर्नाटकान दूधसागराचेर जो धबधबो आसा, ह्या धबधब्याच्यो ज्यो न्हंय येता त्या न्हंयचेर स धरणाचो प्रस्ताव जो आसा, नव्यान प्रस्ताव म्हादई जलवादा कडेन दिल्लो आसा. स धरणां जी आसा ही जावन उपयोग ना, आनी जर ती जायत जाल्यार आमी सदांच म्हणटा की सौदर्याचो मुकुटमणी जो दूधसागर आसा, म्हणजे आमी दोनूय धरणांनी आमकां उदक ही मेळचीच ना, बट दूधसागरा वयलें जो दूधसागर धबधबो नश्ट जातलो ह्या विशया कडेन हांव सभागृहाचेर लक्ष वेधतां.
त्यांचे जे प्रयत्न आहात हे प्रपोजल हे डॅम बांदपाचे ते बांदीत जाल्यार आमी तांकां सांगलेलें आहा की आमकां उदकाची मोठ्या प्रमाणान हे प्रॉब्लेम येतले. अदीक 10,000 हेक्टरची इरिगेशनाची जमीन आहा ती सुद्दां आमी अडचणी येवपाक शक्यता आहा. आमी हो विषय व्यवस्थीत त्या लवादा कडेन मांडलेलो आहा. आमी खंयच्याच परिस्थितीन आमी तांकां ओगी रावचे ना.
की खरें म्हणजे हाजेर अनेक NGOs बोवाळ घालतात. त्या NGOंक अनेक जाणांक रिक्वेस्टूय केले की तुमी ह्या विशयाचेर ग्रीन ट्रिब्युनलान वता. आमी वचूंक शकना, आमकां काही लिमिटेशन्स आहा, गव्हर्मेंटाची लिमिटेशन. एखादें पेटिशन सुप्रीम कोर्टान घालप किंवा ग्रीन ट्रिब्युनल घालप कितले कॉस्टली आहा तें म्हाका खबर आहा. पण ह्या विशयाचेर आय शोड एन हे एक्सप्रेस आनी हांव पब्लिकली एक्सप्रेस करता. कोण जर तूं बरे विशय घेवन वता जाल्यार आय एम रेडी टू डोनेट फ्रॉम माय सेल्फ, प्लस आय कॅन टॉक टू सम ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स. अशा लोकां कडेन उलोवन ताका फी खातीर लागणारे पयशे सुद्दां आमी तयार करून दिता. वी आर व्हेरी क्लियर, म्हादई वील नॉट बी अलाउड टू बी डायवर्टेड. वी वील फायट एट एनी लेवल.
The 3-day e-auction of the extracted iron ore fetched 287 crore rupees for the government. The bidding picked up on the third day with highest bidding as well as highest grossing. 90% of the ore was sold, whereas 10% ore remained unsold. Goa government succeeded in selling 90% of the extracted ore put for the e-auctioning on 19th, 20th and 21st August. The bidding received maximum response on the third day as the quantity and quality of the ore was more and better on the day. Here are the details. On 19th August, 2.5 lakhs, sold 1.47 lakhs and unsold 58,000. 20th August, 3.73 lakhs, sold 2.71 lakhs, unsold 1.2 lakh. 21st August, 16.18 lakhs, sold 15.68 lakhs. In total, 21.97 lakhs, sold 19.87 lakhs and unsold 2.10 lakhs. Government fetched more than 287 crore rupees through this fourth phase of the e-auction. Here is the day-wise breakup. 19th August, revenue was 14.96 crores. 20th August, 32.17 crores. 21st August, 240.47 crores. In total, 287.62 crores. The 10% ore remained unsold as it contained low grade and almost zero demand in the international market. Meanwhile, Union government has increased royalty on ore from 10% to 15%.
Yesterday, by cabinet approval, central government has increased the royalty on mining from 10% to 15%. So that will add up again to the income of the state.
The fifth phase of the e-auction is scheduled on 2nd September. Bureau Report, Prudent. No NOC will be given from PWD, Electricity Department and TCP till water, road and power connections are actually in place at the project site. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar informed that government will issue the order by October. Question was raised regarding water and power woes faced at the residential colonies. Chief Minister has also warned the engineers to act cautiously while giving such NOCs.
Because there is a water problem, what the government intends doing for the licenses part of it, because NOCs, NOCs from PWD is obtained while issuing the licenses. Tag lago.
आता आम्ही एक नोटिफिकेशन इश्यू केला ऑर्डर प्रत्यक्ष रस्तो थंय असल्या शिवाय assumption will not be taken into consideration for future year. हाज्या फुडें PWD जर तूं NOC दिली and if the engineer cannot give water in that area, the engineer will be personally held liable for it. We will issue these orders by September.
Sir, 1 second.
Same way for electricity, because I have promised that I am coming with that infrastructure scheme by this month end. The month end चवथ आसा, so चवथ जातकच ती order हे येतली, scheme येतली. तातून भितर एक compulsory आसतलें. PWDन NOC दिवप हो एक casual exercise जाला. तो casual जावचो ना. There will be, he will have to put on record how many connection exist in that area. ज्या जाग्यार ज्यो गजाली आसा पळय ताच्या खातीर उदकाच्यो स्किमी आहा. हांवें पयलीं सांगलां, हांव पर्सनली मॉनिटर करपाक लागला. We will see that those schemes are implemented fast. Leakages are stopped. Builders give affidavit that they will supply water and they don't require from PWD. That will not be accepted. That will not be accepted in future. That can be accepted for institutional purpose. From 1st October, before 1st October, I will issue the necessary infrastructural order in which this will be a part of it. Certain things will have to be on the ground, udak, lightiche infrastructure. If it is not on the ground, the electricity department should start doing it. Udkache rosto, before issue of NOC.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.